everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My mother is sitting right next to me, so if you guys hear some rattling, she's next to me. But I am here to share with you guys my Walgreens haul. Now this week, you guys, is really bad. If you don't even want to go couponing, I say don't. We hardly got anything in our inserts. Our inserts were bad. Like, I didn't even cut anything out. I didn't even buy any inserts, nothing. But I was just trying to find some stuff to share with you guys, and there's really not a lot. There is a couple digitals if you guys want to do that, but other than that, there's just really nothing. It's really bad. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I was going to do the Revlon and the Almay deal, but it's not a good deal. I think next week they're buy one get one 50% off. So save those coupons for next week if you guys have them, unless you guys absolutely need that stuff. But it's not a good week for just anything. Like, I'm just like, what can I get you? There was a couple things that I wanted to get. I wanted to do the Nivea deal again. Store was sold out. I wanted to do the degree deal. My store was sold out, so I couldn't do that. But I'm probably not going to be doing a second haul for you guys just because it's that bad. But I'm going to share with you guys what I got. A lot of their Valentine's Day stuff is 50% off. Now, I could have waited till they got a little bit cheaper, but when you want something really badly, I wanted to get it because you don't know if it'll be available. So Charlotte is having a mermaid themed party, when she's gonna turn 1 year old in less than 3 months. So I got her this little mermaid. This was $9.99 and I got it for 50% off. I get an employee discount, so that is why I bought this, because I got it actually a little bit cheaper. But I thought that'd be cute for Miss Charlotte to have, as a birthday gift for her, because she really likes cuddling up to stuff. So I got her that. And then I also got an octopus, which I thought was super cute. My mom and I were on the other side of two different areas, and we both grabbed the same exact thing. So I ended up getting this little octopus. It is so cute, you guys. So this was again $9.99, and I got it for like 50% off. So I thought that was super, super cute. So got those. That's what I wanted to get. But and then I got these for Ben. I know they'll probably be around when they go down, but I'm like, I just want to get them because you never know. But I thought these would be good to get for next year. They're little finger puppets. These were originally $2.99, so I got them for like $1.50 a piece. So I don't know how many kids will be in his class next year, but I ended up getting them. Otherwise, if not, I could always get rid of the Valentines and I can keep the finger puppets for birthday gifts. I might do that. If they go down even more, I might do that for like little birthday things for the kids' birthday parties. So yeah, so I'm going to share with you guys some of the stuff that I did get. I got the Purex. Now this was $1.99. There's currently a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. An okay deal. This is usually the cheapest I see it anyways. So if you guys want to stock up with that. I also got the Scott's paper towels. Now these are buy one get one 50% off. They're $5 a piece. So you got one for $5 and one for $2.50. Currently there is printable coupons that you guys can go on the Scott's website for $1. I printed off $1 a couple days ago, and then I went back again this morning and there was another $1 available. So you guys can print off $2 off coupons. You would pay $5.50. Now, if you guys did one paper towel and one toilet paper, you would get 500 points for fetch. I didn't buy the toilet paper. I just bought the paper towels because I have tons of toilet paper right now. But with the toilet paper, there's only a 50-cent coupon. But I used $2 off coupons. You would pay $5.50. They come out to be just $2.75 a piece. Pretty good deal. I usually say try to go under, $3, but then you also get points for that. So I got 2 of those, and then I also did this deal. Now, I wouldn't say this is the greatest deal, but it's up to you guys. I did the Oral-B toothbrushes. These were oh, this is a pretty color that I picked. I actually got the Crest toothpaste. Now these are 2 for $8. I'm just people watching, you guys. I'm not paranoid, I'm just people watching. But 2 for $8, there's a digital coupon for this for $1, and there's a digital coupon for the Oral-B. You guys would pay $6 for this, but then you guys would get a $4 register reward. So it comes out to be just $2, but you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Oral-B, or for the Oral-B on Ibotta. So it comes out to be just $1 for the both of these. Or 50 cents a piece. I wouldn't say it's a good deal for this, but it's a good deal for that. So if you kind of make up for it, you know. So wanted to share with you guys on that in case you want to do some digital deals. I ended up doing the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. This is an all-month thing as long as you have those coupons. These are $3.99 and they are buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use that 4 off of 2 coupon. You guys would get these, and I did probably do my math. No, I did not. You guys would get these for like $2 a piece. So I think like $1.98. So basically 99 cents a piece. Pretty good deal. I always try to do that deal anytime I can. I did the Dawn deal because I just do a lot of hand washing of soap. I do a lot of hand washing because I do the bottles. These are just currently on sale for 99 cents. No coupons or anything, so if you guys want to do that, I think this is an all-month deal. Can't remember, but if you guys want to go ahead and get some dish soap. I also did this because I love these. I got the KitKat Bars. These were 3 for $5. There's currently a $1.50 off of 3 coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you guys can use. You get all 3 of these for $3.50 or just $1.16 a piece. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Then I ended up buying these frame things because I'm going to actually do something with my Cricut machine. So these were $7.99, 50% off, and then I had the employee discount. So I'm going to clean these up because these are like really dirty. And I'm going to take off the love part and I'm going to do something with my Cricut machine. Because I thought these are good frames to have, you know, pretty good. So, and they feel like they'll come, the acetone will take it right off. So I got those for 50% off. I know these would not be available if I went back and got them later, so that's why I got them then. Those are gonna break. Okay, I'll put those in my frame or my bag in just a second. And then the last deal that I got, you guys, is the Lysol wipes. Not the greatest deal. I just wanted to share with you guys as much deals as I could. These are $3.99. You cannot use a coupon on a free item, but I had a 50% off coupon that I used for one of them. So you guys would pay $3.49 for 2 of them. Comes out to be $1.74. Again, not the greatest deal, but in case you guys really like some wipes, I really enjoy these wipes. So that's the reason why I got some more. But yeah, that was my haul. It's pretty pathetic, you guys, but there's just not much. My total came to $21.75. I paid with points, so I didn't pay that much. But I ended up getting that $4 register reward. I got $1 back with Ibotta. I also submitted my receipt to fetch rewards for the Scott, so I got some points for that. And then I also got 5,000 points. I don't know if it's because I hit beauty or if I bought something. I don't know, but I got 5,000 points for something. Oh, I wonder if it was because I had something clipped to my card. I can't remember, you guys. But anyways, my total came to $11.75. I got 20 items for $11.75. I think that's an okay deal. Everything came out to be just 58 cents a piece. So pretty sad. I'm not going to be doing a second haul for you guys unless some like spectacular deal pops up. But you never know. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.